Tips on appealing PPT. PowerPoint animation for visualization of concept. Animation is a powerful tool that greatly enhances one's understanding of complex concepts. This video shows how to create animation of current flow in circuit. This animation shows the current flow in a circuit. Let's learn about it. Insert a rectangle, no fill, make the outline length 1/4 point, go to format shape, set the size to 0.4, width to 3, shape outline set to black. Duplicate it, fill with red color, no outline, go to format shape, set the height to 0.01, shift it and align it at the center. Go to format and click on selection pane. Rename this shape as current R. Name this rectangle as cable R. This is helpful in future. Select the current R, go to animation, add animation, appear, add one more animation, wipe, direction from left. Go to animation pane, repeat until end of slide. We created a cable which shows the current flow in it. Select a rounded rectangle, shape color black, more lines, select thin thick line, set this to 3, fill it with green color. Your switch is ready. Using clip art, bulb and battery, create this circuit. Select the switch, go to more emphasis effect, select object color, set it to red. Go to timing, start effect on click of switch. Arrange the animation in a proper order. First is to appear all the lines of the circuit. Second one is animation of the current flow after the switch button. Now it's ready for animation. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel for this type of interesting videos.